a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello, reality viewers. Welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video wey I wan present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the program. I'm going to be very, very brief because this is just background of what we are going to do this evening. This evening, we are going to address the Sahara reporter. We are going to address the Vanguard news. We are going to address the lies and the fallacies they have told. We are going to address the lies and the fallacies they have told. When this a moment. The lie that have been told by these people. The lies that has been told by the Sahara reporters and the Vanguard News will be addressed today during the broadcast this evening. So you must not miss it. You must not miss it. The thing is that as the government and the DOS, of course, because they collaborate and work together. As the government, as the government and the DOS collaborate together to see that they reduce Nnamdi Kanu to nothing in Biafra land. We must resist this media war that they are bringing they are bringing against Nnamdi Kanu. Let me tell you, today, Sahara reporter reported that ESN member was killed while trying to attack traditional rulers' palace. This is a fallacy. This is a lie. We do not know where we don't know when Vanguard News and Sahara Reporter become investigators who investigate and know who is ESN and who is not ESN. They also try to sell this kind of narrative that Biafra people are no longer they don't care anymore about Nnamdi Kanu, and now some of them have decided that they are not staying at home every Monday, which they choose themselves. And so this narrative is exactly what the IPOB leadership, the betrayer leadership of IPOB, are working in hand with Sowore, with Sowore and co to begin to dish out this particular false narrative, to the detriment and to jeopardize the popularity of Nnamdi Kanu in Biafra land. We will call all Biafrans this evening to resist, to make sure that this coming Monday is, that the sit at home will be observed like never before this coming Monday. Because what they are trying to do now is to make sure that they make Nnamdi Kanu irrelevant in the Southeast. And we must not allow that. It will be the biggest, even your forefathers can never forgive you. You people don't know the war. You people don't know the war we are fighting. You do not know how Nnamdi Kanu was betrayed. You don't know what, those who betrayed him. You don't know those who betrayed him. You don't know why they betrayed him. You don't know what happened. None of us know what happened. But let me tell you one thing today. We only know those who had the opportunity to save him, but they didn't save him. And those are the betrayers we know. We do not know the betrayers who betrayed him, that make the Kenya people to abduct him, and as ordered by the Nigeria government. So, but the betrayers we know are those who knew that he was abducted and they kept quiet. They concealed it. Those are the betrayers that we know. So now you don't know what is going on. This particular DOS has done very big damage, and we must not allow them to continue. I know that Sowore is very, very close to some of them. I am not happy with what Sowore has done, the media controlled by Sowore. I am not happy because a lot of things are going to happen. Sowore should tell us why is he promoting falsehood against the people that are fighting for liberation. Sowore, who is also piloting, pushing for change Nigeria or whatever, is also is also a revolutionist. So why is Sowore controlled media will now be pushing false narrative against people that fight to liberate themselves with him? So this evening, I'm going to address this, and I will not look at anybody's face. I know that, including myself, and this is one thing that I don't like. I don't like it, and nobody should like it. The Vanguard, they reported something, and Sowore need to report it. Which interest is Sowore protecting? Which interest is Sahara reporters protecting? Is he protecting the interest of the Fulanis that he is trying to liberate himself from, or is it protecting the interest of a common man in Nigeria? It is very sad. It is very sad to see that people are, banking on problems of others, and they use it to do whatever they want to do for their own selfish interest. So this evening we are going to address Sahara Reporter, and we're going to address Vanguard. We don't understand, even if Vanguard want to write whatever bullshit or whatever fallacies they want to write, Sowore should not, Sowore, a news outlet, should not be part of it. But because I know very well that some of them are very close, very, very close to Sowore, very, very close to Sowore. And this is what we get. What we get is that the Sahara Reporter will be reporting fallacies against us. Sahara Reporter will be reporting something that is not true against us. Is Sahara Reporter reporting and relaying what Vanguard say, or is Sahara Reporter why didn't Sahara Reporter go to the east, send their journalists, their field marshal or whatever, to go to the east and find out whether they will sit at home or not, whether people observe the sit at home or not? The people continue to observe sit at home. Nnamdi Kanu's name can never ever be cleared. You can never ever destroy Nnamdi Kanu's name in the southeast and in Biafra land. It is not possible. It is not possible. All the things that the people he trusted many years ago, long time ago, he knew they are going to betray him long time ago, because for the whatever, best known to them, they have come today, they want to destroy everything. So they want to make sure that everybody in the Southeast forget about Nnamdi Kanu. It is not going to work. It is not going to work. So this evening, we are going to address this particular Sahara reporter. You see this one? You see this one? He has Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's picture as ordered by the DOS. Do you understand? I want you to understand what is going on. He have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu picture as ordered by the DOS. And now I am trying to address a report that the Sahara reporter accusing a security outfit that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu set up, and he is here calling himself a criminal. That is the level, the stupidity, and the treacherous behavior have gone. That is the level of the impunity of the DOS. That is the level they have gone. It does not matter what Simon Ekpa is saying. The order have been given to them. Anywhere you see Simon Ekpa, go and call him criminal. Even if Simon Ekpa say you are going to die tomorrow. That is how the level of the level of treachery that the DOS have committed. And of course, this one is just 500 naira. And when the recharge card is gone, he will disappear and wait for another 500. I want you to understand that Sahara reporter is reporting and accusing ESN, a security outfit that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu set up. And somebody, who have changed his profile picture as ordered by DOS is here calling somebody who want to address that particular false and the fallacies told against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's security outfit. And is here calling himself criminal. I want you people to understand that the war we are fighting has doubled. And the good news is that we are winning. And let me tell you, they have every right to do whatever they are doing now. We just give them 2 weeks. We are not giving them months. Our own, they say they give us months and you never hear from us again. We are giving them 2 weeks. 2 weeks. All these people, shame we catch all of them. They will disappear. 2 weeks. 2 weeks, we are going to know who owns the media. In 2 weeks' time, we will know your capacity. We will know that thing that from 2 weeks' time from today, we will know how far. So all of you can rant now and enjoy yourself while it lasts. But from 2 weeks from now, you will see the new dimension we are talking about. You will see how it is going to be rolling. Our leader is going to court on the 18th, 19th, and 20th of this month. And when you look at it, you find out that it starts actually 2 weeks from today. So by then, you are going to know who is who. Those of you who feel that you have hijacked everything, you have hijacked everything. So you first of all, you cancel everything our leader did. You first of all, you are working with a news outlet to write rubbish against ESN. And then you come again, you are writing against that they sit at home. And the same people came online. The same people came on Radio Biafra to commend those sitting at home. They came on Radio Biafra to say, oh, we want to thank you. Those of you who sit at home, we thank you. And now they are telling you that, people no longer remember Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the Southeast. That's what they try to tell you in that report. Sahara reporters say, now everybody is going about their businesses. Nobody want to stay at home again on Monday, except the bank, because Nigeria government ordered holiday. So they see that everybody was moving, everybody was going. And all these things is to show to Malami that Nigeria Fulani have defeated the Biafra people. and everything has come back to normal. And so for that reason, you can do with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu whatever you want. That is what they are trying to do. So they want to sell the narrative that nobody is interested anymore. Nobody want to protest for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anymore. Nobody want to stay at home anymore. Everybody is tired. People are going out about their businesses, and the DOS is championing it. They are championing it. Controlled by Kanu Kanu. I am going to address it this evening, and I hope Sowore will watch it. I don't want to even write to him because I'm a no nonsense person. I don't take nonsense. I don't take nonsense. Sowore should know better that you don't stab those who you are fighting with. Every time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go to court, Sowore will go there to have, in solidarity. Why do you not allow your own media outlet to write garbage against the person you always go to the court to show your solidarity? Every time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go to court, you go there. And then your media outlet is now promoting falsehood against security outfit that's set up by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Who told you that the person they killed is ESN? Is anybody killed in Biafra land now become an ESN member? Any criminal that is killed in Biafra land, you call them ESN. If you shoot somebody and the person die, how did you know that he's ESN? Did you go to the spirit world and interview and interrogate the ghost, and the ghost told you is a ESN? These